In the previous lecture, we have seen the first type of pyramid, that is pyramid of number. In that, we have taken some of the ecosystems. By these examples, we have already understand the pyramid of number. Now in this lecture, we are going to study about the pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. Coming to the second pyramid, that is pyramid of biomass. We have already seen that pyramid of biomass means where in these pyramids the mass or weight, dry weight of an organism it is considering. Okay, here weight or the mass is going to consider. Only by that way they are drawing the pyramids. Okay, again in that we are taking some of the ecosystems, example of ecosystems, so we can understand the pyramid of biomass. We are taking same example. Okay, we are taking the example of grassland again here, but at this time we are taking the biomass as a consideration. So grassland, again there are T1, T2, T3, but instead of number this time we are taking the biomass. Now same organisms are there, grasses. Okay, the number of grasses are more, and when we are going to weight that grasses, the weight is also going to more and more. So here is also producers, that is trophic level 1, it is again larger. Okay, because the number of grasses are more, the weight of that grasses, total grasses are again more. Okay, so producers are more. Then second trophic level, goat. Okay, the weight of goats, okay, comparing with the grasses, it is much more smaller, because number of grasses are lot of grasses are there and they are having their own weight. The total grass weight, it is much more than that of the total goats. Okay, so this is second trophic level. And again lion, number of goats are many more than that of the lions. In each area 1 or 2 lions are there, but goats, there are plenty of goat present. So the weight of lion, it is much more reduced than that of the goats, total goats and total lions. Here remember that in the biomass total organisms are taking in the consideration. Grasses, all grasses, goat, all goat, lions, all lions. So the weight, it is divided. So again in the pyramid of biomass also, the grassland type of ecosystem is having upright pyramid. Okay, then we will take second example, that is nothing but the ocean. We have already taken in the pyramid of number. Again we are taking it under the pyramid of biomass. It in the ocean. Now it is a different type of pyramid. In ocean, phytoplanktons are there. Okay, phytoplanktons lacks in number, but their weight, it is very much low. So producers, here producers are smaller in weight, so their structure is narrower. Then coming to the second trophic level, that is fishes, smaller fishes. Now fishes, cumulatively their weight, it is more than that of the total phytoplanktons. Okay, fishes having not lighter, it is a high, it is lighter, it is weighted than that of the phytoplankton. So their weightage is going to increase. So second trophic level is larger than that of the first trophic level. And after that we are taking the example of large fishes. So in the ocean there are large fishes, the number is lower, but their weight, it is going to extra weight than that of the small fish. So third trophic level is going to be broad than that of the second trophic level. Now in this example we have taken the ocean as an ecosystem, and within that we understood that it is a inverted type of pyramid. Inverted because when we have taken number, it is the upright, but when we are taking the biomass of that organisms, the biomass, it is exactly opposite type of pyramid, that is inverted type of pyramid we have seen. So this is nothing but the pyramid of biomass. One thing understand that in the pyramid of biomass and in the pyramid of number, we have seen three types of ecological pyramids. We have seen upright pyramids, we have seen inverted pyramids, we have seen spindle shaped pyramids. Okay, now coming to the third part of the pyramid, that is pyramid of energy. It is a different type of pyramid which is under the energy flow. Okay, energy flow. Now pyramid of energy, it is very important for the energy flow. Pyramid of energy, it is always an upright type of pyramid. Pyramid of energy is always an upright type of pyramid. Whichever the ecosystem, in every ecosystem, the pyramid of energy is always upright. There is a reason for that. Why it is always upright? Why not it is inverted? Why not it is spindle shaped? Why it is always upright? So you can see one picture on your screen, one structure on your screen. It is always upright. When we are talking about the energy, we have seen the 10% law. Okay, here the same example. Trophic level 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 3, 4 are there. In that, on another side, there are some examples. Okay, we will take at first trophic level, it is a grass, then goat, then lion. Okay, or we will take the another examples. At the first energy source in the ecosystem is nothing but the producers, that is T1. If suppose there is a 1000% of energy in the producer level or at the trophic level, then by 10% law, only 100% of the energy it is going to transfer into the second trophic level. Okay, 10% law we have seen already. Only 10% energy. 1000 out of that 100%, that means 10% energy is transferred. In the third trophic level, only 10% energy transferred. Out of 100%, 10% it is going to transfer. And from the third trophic level, in the fourth trophic level, only 1% energy is going to transfer. Okay, this is the energy pyramid. By losing the 90% of energy, that is the reason why the pyramid is always upright, because 90% of energy is going to lose in each trophic level, successive trophic level. So it will be always upright. At the producer level, high energy is there, and at the top carnivore, it is a low energy, lowest energy is there. And another one sentence I have already told that there are only 3 or 4 trophic levels are there. Why not 5th, 6th, 7th trophic level? Because at the 4th trophic level, only 1% of energy is there. Is it sufficient to that animal? Only 1% energy. And if there is a 5th trophic level, then there will be only 0.1% energy is there, which is negligible to that animal. So in each ecosystem, majorly 3 or 4 trophic levels are there. And by that way, why there is a food web? Because 1% energy is not sufficient to the top carnivores. So they are connected with the surrounding food chains, organisms of surrounding. So they can get more and more energy that they can survive. So this is about the pyramid of energy. We have seen 3 of the pyramids of energy: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Always remember that in that pyramid of energy, in the pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass, we can get 3 shapes of an pyramid. It may be pyramid, upright type of pyramid, it may be inverted type of pyramid, or it may be spindle shaped pyramids. Okay, summary of this lecture is the pyramid of number, from that we will get upright or spindle shaped structure by our examples. Okay, second, in the pyramid of biomass we can get upright or inverted type of pyramid, but in the pyramid of energy the pyramid is always upright type of pyramid in the pyramid of energy. Always remember that. These are some ecological pyramids. Here the three functions of an ecosystem are completed. In the next lecture we are going to see the fourth function of an ecosystem. These are nothing but the nutrient cycle.